Here's a little known fact about the IRS Offer and Compromise program. When you are calculating your disposable income in calculating your offer and compromise amount, if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my offer and compromise formula video and then come back and watch this video, okay? But when you are calculating that monthly disposable income for OIC purposes to calculate your reasonable collection potential, you can deduct against your monthly income the monthly fee that you are paying Choice Tax Relief if you hire us, right? Or some other reputable tax relief company or a local CPA, tax attorney, EA for representation in your case, okay? To resolve your tax debt. If you're on a monthly payment to them, you can deduct that on the 433A OIC against your monthly income to make your monthly income lower in the offer and compromise calculation, showing a low reasonable collection potential, and therefore potentially showing a reasonable, a lower offer amount that the IRS will accept. Okay. Now, sometimes we get a pain in the butt. Offer examiner, offer specialist, who doesn't give us this expense. Okay, and it's a big fight. You have to go to the manager. Sometimes you have to go to appeals. One thing we do sometimes, if you're self-employed, for our self-employed clients, we might just run that monthly payment to us on their business P&L, right? It's not too aggressive. They're in this tax debt problem because of their business, usually, right? Because they're 1099 income, or their income they're generating from their S Corp or their C Corp. So sometimes we'd rather do that, right? And just kind of bury it in the P&L for a business owner than slapping it on, you know, the legal and professional fees, or the professional fees line on the 433 AOIC, right? Where you would put that as a personal expense. If you don't own a business, right? If we're not working with a business owner client, you know, we can't do that. We have to put it on the normal line on the 433 AOIC. I hope this helps some folks out there, because it was actually a couple years, probably more than that actually, into my career in tax relief before I started kind of figuring this out, that they're going to show a lot more scrutiny often on that line on the 433 AOIC, right, than sometimes on the P&L for the business, right, if the P&L matches the business bank statements, okay? So we typically want them to run down our fee through their business bank account, okay? So some folks might find this aggressive. We don't. It's helped us cross the finish line for lots of offers and compromises for our business clients. Folks, if you owe the IRS or your state at least $10,000 in back taxes, you qualify for a free consultation with us, 866-8000-TAX.